Hello everyone, my name is Louie and I'm the Director of High School Admissions here at Midwest Technical Institute and Delta Technical College. Today, I'm here to talk to you guys a little bit about our annual high school welding competition that we host every year. We've been putting these competitions on for nearly 2 decades now. These competitions give students the opportunity to showcase their skills, compete against one another, as well as get them excited about a welding career. First off, how these competitions are going to work is you need to get registered. You can do so by talking to your local high school representative out at your schools. You can go online on our websites or even scan this QR code here to get registered. The morning of the event, we'll have you all come in and get checked in, meet some of our staff members, our instructors, where we'll actually walk you guys back to the weld shop where you guys have the opportunity to go through the print with our different instructors, or one of our co-founders, Mike Casper, where they'll actually go in detail about the project. So if you guys have questions, don't quite understand something, we're here to help you guys out with that before you go out into your booth and begin your project. Now in this competition, our competitors will be using 7018 weld rod, where they're going to be welding in various different positions, maybe a little bit of pipe, maybe a little bit of angle iron, some base plate, to really kind of challenge all of you guys to showcase those skills that you're learning at your local high school. Whether you've only had an hour or multiple hours at high school or Votech Center, it will give you guys all a great insight, of what the competition is around you, how to explore the career, and maybe what you need to still work on to continue your journey as a welder. After these projects are completed, you're going to turn these in, where then it's going to be analyzed, judged by our instructors. Then from there, we have our awards segment here, where actually the top 10 we place with medals. But one of the really cool things here is actually with our top 3, not only they're going to get a trophy and a medal, but they actually have the opportunity to earn some scholarship money here as well, where our first place competitor will actually receive a $5,000 scholarship, second place at $2,500, and third place a $1,000 scholarship to attend Midwest Technical Institute and Delta Technical College. This competition here is not just about the top 10 though. Each one of our participants who competes in this competition will actually receive a $500 scholarship just for competing that day. It's a fun-filled day for all parents, guests, high school teachers, counselors, administrators. Come on out to our competitions and really see what we have going on here. These kids work very hard in the booth, putting their project together, and it also gives you guys an opportunity to meet our staff and support system that we have here. We'll have campus tours going on that day, financial aid available for you guys all to meet with, but also throughout the event, we'll have different donations, raffles. Probably my favorite part about this whole competition is the fact that the winner of the competition is actually going to earn his or her high school a $1,000 donation back towards their weld shop. You want to talk about leaving your legacy at your local high school or Votech Center? Here's an opportunity for you to come out and compete, not only to get first place, but to earn your high school weld shop a $1,000 donation. We're going to provide breakfast, lunch, so come on out, see the campus, show us your skills, have the opportunity to earn some scholarship money. Who knows, you may even walk away with a prize or two as well.